Hi there. In this web development video, I'll quickly use the GreenGeeks hosting CPanel to create a brand new database, a database user with all of the permissions. So there'll be a super user, also known as a user 1. And then I'll use PHP myadmin to create a table using SQL statements. So I'm already logged into CPanel. I'm going to quickly go down to the database section and I'll click on MySQL databases, and I'll quickly create a new database. I'll call it Advanced Web Design. I use dashes instead of underscores, no spaces, and I'll create the database. I'll choose Go Back, and then I'll create the user. The user is the username and password that you'll be using in your PHP code to access this database. So I'll use the very same name that I use for the database and add a password. Make sure it's the same. And create the user, and then I'll add that user to the database. So add user to database. It's already guessing what I want to do there, so I'll add, and I want all privileges. So this user will be, again, the super user, also known as user 1. They can do everything. Then I'll go back to cPanel. So I can just click right on the GreenGeeks web hosting icon there. That'll bring me back to cPanel, and I will open up PHP myadmin. There it is under databases. So once I've created the database and the user, then I can now create my table. So once I have a table, then I can connect to that table using PHP and insert my records and view them as well. So there's my database there. I'll click on that. And I could create a new table using the Create New Table on the Structure tab, but I'll just use the SQL statements that I shared with you via my notes. So those are directly copied and pasted from that MySQL PDF in my courseware. And I just choose Go. And now my database is ready to use. I've got a table there. If I click on customers here, you can see all of the fields. Thanks so much for watching.